have a very nice stitch. I think I'm going to make the nautical hat with this, because the one that we made was crochet and I feel like knitting one. So you remember that we used these two colors for our nautical collection. Anyway, I'm calling this lace clusters, and it's a multiple of 4 stitches, and I added 1 on each edge. So you cast on your stitches with the long tail cast on, which is you make your slip knot and cast on your stitches like so, and so. The base row and all the other wrong side rows are all the same. So let's see, 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now you're going to knit the first and the last, and all the other stitches you purl. So this will be all wrong side rows. There we go, and the last one you knit. Now you start with row number 1, which is the one that's really important. So once you make your base row, you start knitting. Let me get this out of the way. All right. Okay, so all the right side rows are the same. You're going to knit 1 and then pick up those 3 stitches together and knit them through the back. And then yarn over, knit that first stitch, take it off, and knit these 2 stitches together with the next. So that's 3 together through the back. Now you can take them off. Okay, so we're replacing these 4 stitches. So let's do that again. We are going to pick up these 3 stitches, knit them together through the back, yarn over, knit 1 stitch, take it off, and then knit these 3 stitches together through the back. Again, we're going to knit these 3 stitches together through the back. Oops, let me get my yarn split. There we go. Yarn over, knit that first stitch through the back, take it off, and knit these 3 stitches together through the back. Again, knit these 3 stitches together through the back. Whoops, okay. Yarn over, knit that first stitch by itself, take it off, and then knit these 3 stitches together through the back. Again, knit 3 stitches together through the back, yarn over, knit that first stitch, take it off, and knit these 3 stitches together to the back. There we go, and then the last one you knit. And then on the way back, which is all the wrong side rows, you knit the first and the last, and all the other stitches you purl. It's just a matter of getting, when you purl all these stitches, make them nice and soft, so like that you don't have to struggle when you knit 3 together on the other row. So nice and soft. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and share us with your friends. Like our page and subscribe. This pretty. Okay, the last one you knit. So I will be seeing you when I make the hat. Thank you.